Hey guys, so I'm not really sure what I'm opening here. I'm doing it one-handed, so you'll have to excuse me with all of my trial and error. Luckily, the X-Acto knife came to my rescue, so sorry for all the crazy filming, but one-handed is not my specialty. I had surgery earlier this week, so hopefully I'll be back to two-handed soon. So anyway, so I'm struggling here to get this out one-handed, finally get it out. Well, almost. It's coming. So, little struggle. And finally, yay, it pops out. So, this is so beautiful. So, this is actually my iPad cover, and I ordered it from Amazon, and it came sooner. It was supposed to come tomorrow, so I was kind of glad it got delivered on a Sunday, so that was kind of nice. And it's just beautiful. I love the design, and it came in this little sealed pack here that I had to, again, use the X-Acto knife to get into because I couldn't open it. So here I am, struggling some more. Not the best quality video. Sorry about that. I really am trying here. I have a camera stand coming, so I'm so excited because we will not have all this craziness going on. So there it is. Finally got it out. It's open. And here's my little cover. Not sure how to do it. Okay, so this is the iPad case that I just got in and unpacked. I'll put who made it, where it came from. It's got the little folded design thing going on. This is for the iPad Pro 12.9. So here's my new iPad with the pencil, and there's a little space for the pencil. So we'll see. Pop that in there. And then let's see if I can get this in here one-handed again. Oops. Let's see what we got. I might do two hands. It's like a, a big phone case. It's gonna be. Okay, let's see. I can do this. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this down and try again, so we'll see. Okay, so that was definitely a two-handed job to get that thing in there, but we have it. Let's see. Got the camera on this side. So I'm not sure I would recommend this for a lot of heavy-duty traveling, but this is good just to have for a little extra protection. And let's see if I put in this thing. Obviously, I put it in right because the camera. And I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see. That way, that way. Yeah, okay. So there you have it. So as I said before, this is for the pencil. Kind of just sticks in there. You can stand it up, lay it down. Honestly, I don't know about the charging situation here because I know this has to be up next to it, so I'm not sure if it's getting a connection for charging through this or not. So we'll have to test that out. But it's a beautiful cover. I'm very pleased. It's pretty gorgeous. Thanks for watching. Bye.